blockchain or distributed ledger technology. The first of the 5 pillars we'll examine more closely is blockchain technology. Finally, we got to the point where we'll give a straight answer to the question everyone has been asking and which is central to this course. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized database, which is distributed over a computer network, with each computer in that network storing an identical copy of the same database file. In the context of financial transactions, this is also referred to as distributed ledger technology, because a ledger is an accounting book or a collection of financial accounts. In finance, we use a ledger to record all accounting related to a specific account. A company's bank account would have a ledger that contains many transactions. Every time money comes in or goes out, a new entry would have to be registered in the ledger. In the same way, a blockchain distributed ledger keeps the same information related to a series of transactions across multiple computers, forming a peer-to-peer network. The idea of hundreds or thousands of computers storing the same file does sound a little strange at first, doesn't it? I wouldn't be surprised if your first thought was redundancy. But such redundancy provides security and ensures there is no central point of failure in the entire system. It protects from attempts to manipulate the system by actors acting in ill faith. This in turn provides the opportunity to eliminate any centralization, or in other words, to cut the middlemen. Such decentralized blockchains work through a consensus mechanism or algorithm. There are different types of consensus algorithms, and we'll cover the main ones later on in the course. For the moment, it's important to understand that these consensus algorithms enable the different nodes, which are basically the participants in the network, to verify new transactions and maintain a uniform view on the up-to-date state of the ledger. After new transactions are verified, they are ordered and grouped into blocks, which are then linked to previous blocks. Each new block is built on top of the last block in chronological order. Each of these blocks is a type of data structure containing information, and more precisely, transaction records. Generally, distributed databases can contain any kind of data, not just financial or economic data, but blockchain security and design make it especially suitable to use for value exchanges. Hence the expression that blockchain is the Internet of value, or the Internet of money. Transactions once put on the blockchain are normally irreversible, and their record is permanent and immutable. New blocks are created at regular intervals of time and are time-stamped. Each new block is linked to the chain of previous blocks, hence the term blockchain. We should note that Satoshi never mentioned the word blockchain in the original white paper. He mostly referred to the technology as a proof-of-work chain. The closest he came to saying blockchain was with phrases such as the next block in the chain or chain of blocks. The term blockchain was popularized by early Bitcoin companies like blockchain.info. In our next lesson, we'll dig a bit deeper and discuss why blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the financial and industrial world, and how it can improve the communication and informational asymmetries between trading partners.